We've reflected a shape, we've translated it, we've rotated it, and today we're going to enlarge it, which doesn't just mean growing it, but also means shrinking it. Is this an enlargement? Well, no, it's a rotation. How about this one? Definitely enlargement. But what about this one? Well, it has changed size, it's the same shape and same way up, so therefore it is an enlargement. Let's have a look at these questions. In this question we're asked to enlarge shape A by scale factor 2 with the centre of enlargement at 0, 0. So we're going to mark the centre of enlargement first, and we're going to mark a point on our shape. Let's pick the bottom right point. We can draw a ray line from the centre of enlargement to our point and beyond. All enlargements will end up with a point on this line. The scale factor's 2, so our new point will be twice the distance along this line. It can be easier to count the squares. So if the scale factor's 2, we count the squares from the centre of enlargement to our point. 1, 2, 3 to the right and 1 up. And then we go along again, 3, 1, 2, 3, and up another 1. So scale factor 2 will end up with a point here. We can then mark a different point on our shape and do the same thing. Draw a ray line and go twice the distance from the centre of enlargement, which will end up here. And we're going to do this for the third line, and the point will be here. Finally, we draw in our shape. In this question, we're asked to enlarge shape A by scale factor 1/2 with the centre of enlargement at -1, -3. We're going to start by marking the centre of enlargement, and we're going to pick a point on our shape. I'm going to pick the bottom right one. We're going to draw a ray line from the centre of enlargement to this point. Now we're going to count the squares from our centre of enlargement to this point. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4 up. The scale factors are 1/2, so we're going to go half those distances. So instead of 4 to the right, we're going to go 2 to the right, and instead of 4 up, we're going to go 2 up. And our new point will be here. We're going to repeat this for the top vertex. And this time we go 2 to the right and 8 up. So we're going to go 1 to the right and 4 up. And then our final point, which is the bottom left one on our shape, draw our ray line. And this time we go 2 to the right and 4 up. So we're going to go 1 to the right and 2 up. And then finally draw in our shape. In this question we're asked to describe the single transformation from shape A to shape B. This is definitely going to be an enlargement because the shape is the same way up and shape, but it has changed size. We can start by finding the scale factor, and we're going to find the lengths of each side. So we've got 2 squares here, 4 squares here on our original A, and then on B we've got 6 by 12. So to find the scale factor, we're going to divide the length on B by the length on A. So we could do 6 divided by 2 or 12 divided by 4. Hopefully you get the same answer of 3. So the scale factor is 3. To find the centre of enlargement, we're going to put our ray lines on for each vertex on shape A to each vertex on shape B, but we're going to carry them on. So we're going to put all our ray lines on, and you can see each of them join up perfectly and they overlap at 6, 6. So to finish off our answer, we need to say that we've got an enlargement with scale factor 3 and the centre of enlargement at 6, 6. And let's finish with this. A shape has a vertex at 1, 1, but after being enlarged, the vertex is still 1, 1. Explain how this could happen. If you know, let me know in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description where you can access all of our free GCSE papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger GCSE course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.